Learn how to master the law of assumption and prepare to be absolutely amazed with what you manifest in your life. Now, do this and watch what happens. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, we're getting close to 1 million subscribers. Join us, help the algorithm. Let's pass on the word about the law of attraction. Be sure and subscribe and click the bell icon. I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. Look, you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness you depend on. We've helped people in 60 different countries with love, relationships, money, success. You can have what you desire. Law of Attraction Solutions. So, high flyers, what is real? The 3D reality that you see with your eyes, that you hear with your ears? Or is something else real? Is it the world of imagination? Is imagination as real as that which you can see, touch, and feel? And the answer is yes. You see, your imagination is that which creates the 3D world. Everything that you're experiencing right now was created by the power of your mind and your imagination. And therefore, your imagination is the master of the 3D world. Now, high flyers, it's absolutely essential that you believe that you are a co-creator of your reality, that everything in your reality you have created. And if you don't like what's going on with your money, your love, your success, your health, if you don't like it, you can change it by changing the pictures you see in your imagination. So look around you. Look all over the place. Look at your home. Look at your relationship. Look at the cars you drive. Look at your health. Look at your personal success. Look at every aspect of your life and understand that you have created that reality. And so if you've created it, you can change it. And it doesn't take a long time to do it. You can do it beginning right now. Remember, the tools that you will be using that will make the change in your world. First, your imagination, then your thoughts, your emotions, and your feelings. High flyers, this is why looking at the 3D world for validation of what's going on in your life, what's taking place, is useless. It's meaningless because it's already been created days ago, months ago, years ago. What you're experiencing right now is the result of what you created. Remember, you must believe that you are co-creator of your reality. By believing that, you take on new responsibility, but you take on new personal power as well. As I like to say, we create it all, the good, the bad, and the ugly. The question is never about whether you deserve the money, love, or success that you desire. The real question is, are you now prepared to create what you deserve? I'm going to ask that question again. Are you prepared right now to create what you deserve? So, high flyers, energy, and everything is energy. Everything in the universe is energy. Everything. Energy follows attention. Where you put your attention is where energy flows. So, if your attention is on happiness and joy and health and vitality, then that's what you imagine, either in picture or in feeling. Not everybody imagines well in picture form, but most people can imagine in feeling form. That's what you imagine. So that is what you are creating. Give attention to wealth, and you will be wealthy. Give your attention to love, and you will be loved. And give your attention to success, and you will experience incredible, amazing success beyond your wildest dreams. So, high flyers, if you focus on wanting money, you'll attract more want. If you focus on wanting love, you'll end up disappointed. If you focus on your hunger to be successful, you'll continue to strive. And the same is true with focusing on other people in your life. If you focus on their negative qualities, you'll attract more of their negative qualities. However, if you focus on their positive qualities, you'll attract more of that. The key is to accept that everything in the 3D world is the product of your imagination, of your thoughts, of your emotions, and your feelings. Everything. So, does it make sense to focus on wanting, or does it make more sense to focus on having, on receiving? Keep in mind that the only genuine reality is the reality of your imagination. Focus on already having. What does it look like? What does it feel like? What does it sound like? Embellish yourself in it. Wrap yourself in it. Feel it. Get excited about it. Act as if you already have it. Believe that you already have it, and you do, because the world outside you, the macrocosm, is a reflection, a direct reflection of the world within you, the microcosm. So understand that you are a co-creator. Every day, imagine you have the money you desire. All your thoughts reflect on having this money and what you can do with it and what you can spend with it and who you can help with it. Feel abundance in your life. Remember, high flyers, once you've created a picture in your mind of yourself with all this money, emotionalize it, feel it. How good does it feel to have everything you desire physically because you have the money? Now, do the same thing when it comes to your love life. Stop focusing on what you lack and focus on what you desire, as if you already have it, as if it were already yours. Believe it, trust it. You are co-creator of your reality. You have the love you desire. It's already within you. You are a direct reflection of the multiverse. Everything you desire is already present within you. Your imagination is the key from moving from imagination, thoughts, emotions, feelings, to feeling it and seeing it in the 3D world. Everything you can imagine is real. Pablo Picasso. Think about that, high flyers, for a moment. Everything you can imagine is real. So why would you put your imagination on your fears and doubts and anxieties? Put your imagination on your abundance, on your on your happiness, on your prosperity, on your love, on your success, on your health. Believe with all your heart and soul that what you desire is already within you. You are an encapsulation of the multiverse. Everything is, I'm getting excited. Everything is within you. So imagine the timeline that you desire to live and live it as if you already have it and attract that timeline to you. You see, moving to another timeline isn't about wanting to move to another timeline. It's about accepting that you've already moved to the new timeline. If you can see it, if you can feel it, and if you choose to believe it, you will live it. Albert Einstein said the following: imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. Your imagination is your world. Create from your imagination, and everything will flow like never before. Believe it's already yours. Here's another video I want you to watch because it will help you on your journey.